Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the generic car wash kit. That's actually what its name is. And 3 things you need to know about this. Thing number 1, it can wash more than just cars. And work with me on this one. If you've got a tractor, if you've got medium-sized motorhome, I'm thinking about the Class C's probably, then you've also got several options to work with here. There is a soap chamber that you can turn the soap on and off, and you just pick the soap you want to use. There are the extensions as to how far out the output can go from your hose. There are, if you look here on just to the left of the brush, there are 5 different nozzles on that, so you can get just about anything probably that you want to. Now, to use the extensions, obviously you're going to take the big brush off the soap chamber, so you can use the soap chamber in more than one configuration. If you do this quite a bit and want to save some time setting up and breaking down, then the 2 items to the left here are quick disconnect nozzles, so you can leave those set up to where when you get ready to use things, it's no more having to break things unloose from the threads on the water faucet or whatever you're hooking into. You snap, and you're done. You're up and going. So really, that's a pretty straightforward situation, and it comes with some instructions. Although, hey, we're men. We don't need instructions. And to you ladies, yeah, you're intelligent enough to go ahead and read them. But this is a very handy thing to have, even if it's a small car. You've got a golf cart. This has got a variety of applications to it. So this is going to be very handy to have. Take a look at this. Think about getting one today, and I think you're going to find you may save you just a little bit of work.